How Emily Improved Her Life. Hello, friends. In this captivating and inspirational story, we are going to learn from Emily's journey to improve our own lives as well. So let's dive right into it. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs. Sometimes it feels like everything is falling into place, and at other times, it can be a struggle. But what if you could take steps to make your life better, more fulfilling, and happier? The good news is, you can. By making small, positive changes, you can improve your life in ways you might not have imagined. Here's a story that illustrates how simple actions can lead to significant improvements in life. Emily had always dreamed of a more fulfilling life. She wanted to feel happier, more energetic, and less stressed. But with a demanding job, a busy family life, and never-ending chores, she often felt overwhelmed and stuck in a rut. One day, she decided that enough was enough. She was going to take control and improve her life, one step at a time. Emily began by setting small, achievable goals. Her first goal was to wake up 30 minutes earlier each day. This gave her a bit of quiet time before the chaos of the day began. She used this time to enjoy a cup of tea and read a few pages of a book she loved. This simple change made her mornings more peaceful and set a positive tone for the day. Next, Emily focused on her physical health. She decided to take a short walk every day during her lunch break. At first, it was just a 10-minute stroll around the block, but soon she found herself looking forward to this time outside. The fresh air and light exercise boosted her mood and energy levels. Gradually, her walks became longer, and she even started jogging a bit. Her body felt stronger, and she noticed that she was sleeping better at night. Emily also made an effort to improve her eating habits. She started by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into her meals. Instead of grabbing a quick, unhealthy snack, she reached for an apple or a handful of nuts. She also began cooking more meals at home, trying out new, healthy recipes. This not only improved her diet, but also became a fun, relaxing activity that she enjoyed doing with her family. One of the most significant changes Emily made was in her mindset. She began practicing gratitude. Every night before bed, she wrote down 3 things she was grateful for that day. They didn't have to be big things. Sometimes it was as simple as a sunny day or a kind word from a coworker. This practice helped her focus on the positive aspects of her life, and she found herself feeling happier and more content. To manage her stress, Emily explored mindfulness and meditation. She started with just 5 minutes of meditation each morning, focusing on her breath and clearing her mind. Over time, she noticed that she felt calmer and more centered throughout the day. She also tried to be more present in each moment, whether she was at work, with her family, or even doing household chores. This mindfulness helped her feel less overwhelmed and more in control. Emily's relationships also benefited from her efforts to improve her life. She made a conscious effort to spend quality time with her loved ones, really listening to them and being present. She also reached out to friends she hadn't seen in a while, rekindling old connections and making new memories. These positive interactions added joy and support to her life. After a few months, Emily looked back and was amazed at how much her life had improved. She felt healthier, happier, and more fulfilled. The changes she made were simple, but they had a profound impact. Emily's story shows that improving your life doesn't require drastic changes or a complete overhaul. By taking small, consistent steps and focusing on positive habits, anyone can enhance their well-being and find more joy in their daily life. So if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, remember Emily's journey and start making small changes today. Your better life is just a few steps away. If you found this story useful, show me some love. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more motivational stories. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe.